What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best gaming headsets in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. For budget-conscious gamers, we highly recommend the Corsair HS65 Surround as the top economical gaming headset. This wired gaming headset exudes a perfect blend of simplicity, practicality, and classic elegance. The primary focus of this headset is its exceptional audio capabilities, rather than unnecessary embellishments. While it's not without its minor faults, such as a few noticeable flaws in the microphone and a potentially tight fit for some users, the overall performance far outweighs these minor drawbacks. The Corsair HS65's design sticks to a simple yet timeless Corsair style, seemingly addressing some of the criticisms levied at its predecessor, the HS60 Pro Surround. It now features a non-detachable microphone with a twist and turn off function, replacing the detachable microphone and separate mute button of the previous model, thus making its use more straightforward and intuitive. To maintain an attractive price point without sacrificing performance, Corsair opted for high-quality plastic with a soft matte finish for the ear cups and headband, using aluminum only in the structural components to reinforce the headset. The comfort factor is assured, thanks to memory foam ear cushions and headband that are not only plush and luxurious, but also breathable. Additional comfort features include length adjustments and earpiece swivel for a custom fit. The headset is on the lighter side, weighing only 0.6 pounds, 282 grams, which aids in its comfort during long gaming sessions. Its design is minimalistic, featuring a volume dial on the left ear cup and a flipped mute microphone. All other settings can be fine-tuned using the Corsair iQ software. The HS65 Surround primarily connects through its 3.5mm audio jack, with an included USB adapter for converting to a USB connection for 7.1 surround sound. While the headset may lack the feature richness of some competitors, it excels in audio performance, providing Dolby Audio 7.1 surround sound for an immersive gaming experience. Given its price point, the Corsair HS65 Surround provides an impressive performance, making it a top choice for budget-conscious gamers in 2024. In our ongoing quest to review the best gaming gear of 2024, we spotlight the Razer Barracuda X, a standout choice for the title of Best Value Gaming Headset. This multi-platform wireless headset offers exceptional quality at an unbeatable price point. While its compatibility with Xbox is limited, it's a dream come true for PS5, Nintendo Switch, PC, and mobile gamers. Upgraded features such as Bluetooth connectivity, extended battery life, and user-friendly on-ear controls make this new edition a significant improvement over its predecessor. Launched just a year after its previous model, the Barracuda X packs an impressive array of features while maintaining the same affordable price. It's cross-compatible across various platforms, delivers superior audio quality, and offers unparalleled comfort and impressive battery life, all of which make it one of the top gaming headsets in the market. The ear cups are lined with memory foam cushions and overlaid with breathable mesh fabric, ensuring maximum comfort even during prolonged gaming sessions. Weighing in at a mere 250 grams, this lightweight headset also features a well-padded headband covered in leather, enhancing both comfort and aesthetic appeal. One notable design improvement is the repositioned USB-C 2.4 GHz dongle. Unlike its predecessor, which had the USB-C connection in the middle, the updated version places it on the right side. This minor tweak makes it easier to navigate crowded ports with unobstructed access to other cables. The Barracuda X's greatest asset is undoubtedly its cross-platform connectivity. The 2.4 GHz dongle easily and swiftly connects to a range of devices, including PS5, PC, Nintendo Switch, iPad, and Android devices. Additionally, Razer includes a USB-C to USB-A adapter in the box, enabling PS4 connectivity. Despite its affordable price tag, the Barracuda X doesn't compromise on sound quality. It boasts a sound signature similar to its predecessor, delivering punchy bass, nuanced mid-ranges, and crisp highs that collectively create an immersive soundscape. The harmonious blending of various tones and melodies creates a rich and expansive soundstage. Lastly, the Barracuda X's battery life is truly impressive. Razer claims a battery life of up to 50 hours, and user tests have consistently confirmed this estimate. Given all these features and its competitive pricing, the Razer Barracuda X genuinely deserves a round of applause. Introducing the Beyerdynamic DT900 Pro X, our top pick for the finest audio gaming headset of 2024. What sets it apart is its remarkable sound quality, backed by an excellent value for money. The last entrant in Beyerdynamic's lineup, the DT900 Pro X are over-ear headphones that stand out with their superior sound transparency. They produce a signal that emphasizes treble, delivering a crisp and clear mid-range and subtle bass. Designed as open headphones, the DT900 Pro X excels in highlighting the intricate details in audio processing and mixing. This makes them an ideal choice for audiophiles and hi-fi enthusiasts who appreciate classical, jazz, or any acoustic music. Along with the headphones, the package includes a carrying case with a lanyard and 2 straight plug cables with gold-plated plugs and screw-in adapters. Promotional pamphlets and an instructional manual are also part of the package. The DT900 Pro X retains the classic biodynamic aesthetic, but introduces some innovative design tweaks. One noticeable change is the headband's lower end that now seamlessly transitions into the spring steel bracket struts, replacing the previous boxy finial. A closer inspection reveals that this transition is actually bolted, ensuring easy servicing of crucial components. The arms holding the ear cups follow the design language of the DT990 Pro. The 45mm drivers of the DT900 Pro X are dynamically powered, boasting an extended frequency range of 5 to 40,000 Hz, a full 5 kHz more in the treble than the DT990 Pro. The DT900 Pro X also surpasses its predecessor in terms of maximum sound pressure level, reaching slightly above 97 decibels per SPL. With an average impedance of 47.8 ohms, the DT900 Pro X is compatible with low-voltage output headphone preamps, making it loud enough for use with laptops, smartphones, and tablets. The Beyerdynamic DT900 Pro X excels in delivering a rich treble, creating a 3-dimensional sound image. The treble is intricately resolved, and the super high frequency range feels wonderfully open. This treble detail significantly enhances the overall signal resolution, especially noticeable with acoustic music. Thumbs up. For those who don't shy away from splurging a little more for a premium gaming experience, we present the Corsair Virtuoso Pro, the top-tier gaming headset of 2024. This unique offering is an open-back headset equipped with a detachable microphone, making it a perfect fit, not just for gamers, but also for streamers and creative professionals. The Corsair Virtuoso Pro stands out in the market due to its open-back design. While this design is best suited for quieter environments, it enhances the overall gaming, streaming, music listening, and virtual meeting experiences. Open-back headphones like the Beyerdynamic DT990 Pro are a popular choice among gamers and streamers, as they prevent ear overheating while providing a more natural sound. However, high-end open-back headphones featuring a detachable microphone are quite rare, and Corsair aims to fill this gap with the Virtuoso Pro. At first glance, these headphones do not resemble typical gaming gear. They lack the flashy colors or RGB lights often associated with gaming peripherals. Instead, the Corsair Virtuoso Pro exudes a studio headphone vibe. The headset is constructed from a combination of aluminum and plastic, giving it a high-quality feel that justifies its premium price tag. One notable aspect of the design is the visible 50mm graphene drivers enveloped by aluminum grills. The open-back design allows the sound to flow freely, contributing to a more natural sound reproduction. However, it also means these headphones are best used in a quiet room to prevent sound spillage that could bother others. Additionally, the open-back design ensures clear voice transmission when using the headset microphone, eliminating the need for artificial side tone enhancement. Like many gaming headphones, the Corsair Virtuoso Pro emphasizes bass frequencies. Paired with a slight boost in high frequencies, this frequency response intensifies explosive sounds in games like Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. The microphone quality is also top-notch, making it ideal for both gaming and conference calls. The Corsair Virtuoso Pro delivers sound with extraordinary precision, clarity, and spaciousness, thanks to its cutting-edge 50mm graphene drivers. This ensures a rich, detailed sound reproduction that enhances every auditory experience. If you have the budget for this powerhouse, we confidently affirm that it's worth every cent. Introducing the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless, the standout winner and best overall gaming headset of 2024. This headset is renowned for its remarkable sound quality, fully featured microphone, and exceptional comfort that allows for hours of uninterrupted gaming. Designed to work seamlessly with all major platforms, including Sony PlayStation, the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless brims with features that enhance your gaming experience. The headset's design is practical and sleek, with a microphone that extends from its left ear cup and fits securely when not in use. A volume dial located on the left ear cup also controls the Xbox's chat mix, which can be accessed by pressing the dial. The headset also includes a mic mute button, a power button, and a 3.5mm jack for wired listening. On the right ear cup, there's a Bluetooth pairing button. The button layout is intuitive, with enough distance between each to easily navigate by touch. A standout feature of this headset is its cross-platform compatibility. SteelSeries offers 2 versions of this headset, one for Sony PlayStation and another for Microsoft Xbox. The Arctis Nova Pro Wireless boasts a unique hot-swappable battery battery feature. It comes with 2 batteries, with space in the base station to charge the spare. If you switch batteries within 8 seconds, the headset automatically reactivates and reconnects to the base station, ensuring uninterrupted gameplay. A single battery provides up to 18 hours of usage when connected via 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth simultaneously, and up to 22 hours with only 2.4 GHz wireless. However, all these features would be meaningless if the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless didn't deliver in terms of sound quality. The bass response is deep and potent, extending lower than other headphones, rendering explosions and gunshots in games with a resonant impact, and making background music sound impressive. The mid-range is relatively flat, contributing to the excellent clarity and detail that these headphones offer. This helps in producing distinct gunfire and audio effects, resulting in overall exciting sound reproduction, a feat many headphones struggle to achieve. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best gaming headsets in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.